This video presents the instructions for the experiment on compound uncertainty. Welcome to this session, which lasts approximately 60 minutes and is organized as follows. This instructional video lasts about 6 minutes. Watch it carefully. It will be followed by comprehension questions. Then there will be some practice questions to familiarize you with the software used to collect your answers and illustrate the procedure for determining your payment. The main part of the experience lasts approximately 40 minutes. You will receive 75 dirhams for your participation plus additional monetary gain. At the end of the session, a question from the experiment will be randomly selected. Your answer to this question will offer you the possibility of an additional monetary gain. Generally, in this experiment, there is no right or wrong answer. We only want to observe your preferences. The experimenter will stay with you during the whole session. Do not hesitate to ask for help or clarification if necessary at any time. Complete the survey at once. Do not refresh the browser page, do not go back, and do not close your browser. Here's an example of a question. You must choose between two options. Option A, on the left of the screen, and Option B, on the right of the screen. Option A offers a certain gain of 800 dirhams. Option B contains two urns each containing 10 balls of different colors. In the first urn, we have 5 red balls and 5 purple balls. If a purple ball is randomly drawn, you will receive 0 dirham. Else if a red ball is randomly drawn, you will go to the next stage to draw a ball from urn number 2. In this urn, you have 8 blue balls and 2 yellow balls. If a yellow ball is randomly drawn, you will receive 0 dirham. Else if a blue ball is randomly drawn, you will receive 2000 dirhams. In this question, A offers a certain gain, while B offers an uncertain gain. The gains of A and B are immediate. In the survey you will have to indicate if you prefer option A, or if you prefer option B. Here's another example. Option A offers a certain gain of 750 dirhams. Whereas in the first urn of option B, we have 5 red balls and 5 purple balls. If a purple ball is drawn, you will receive 500 dirham. However, if a red ball is drawn, you proceed to the next stage, where you will draw a ball from urn number 2. This urn contains 10 blue balls and no yellow balls, guaranteeing that you receive 1000 dirhams. In this scenario, the maximum amount you can win is 1000 dirhams, while the minimum amount you can win is 500 dirhams. Option A offers a certain gain, while option B offers an uncertain gain. The gains of A and B are immediate. In this last example, option A offers a certain gain of 200 dirhams. Option B contains one urn with 1 green ball and 9 brown balls. If a brown ball is drawn, you will receive 0 dirhams. Else, if a green ball is drawn, you will receive 2000 dirhams. Here are some notes on the questions. All choice options are paid immediately. Option A consistently offers a certain gain, while option B presents an uncertain gain. Each urn of option B contains 10 bowls of different colors. For questions involving only one urn, the colors will always be green and brown. For questions involving 2 urns, the first urn will always contain red and purple balls, while the second urn will always contain blue and yellow balls. All choice situations will allow you to choose between 2 options, A or B. Therefore, for each question, you should check. How much is offered by option A? How many urns does your option B have? The contents of the urns, and the amounts at stake. Lists of questions. Questions are grouped by lists. Within a list, option A varies, but option B remains the same. A list contains multiple questions. Within a list, some questions may be redundant. A procedure to avoid redundant questions and facilitate the filling of lists will be generated automatically. Here's an example of a question from the main experiment. Consider the following list of questions. In this question, option A on the left offers a certain gain of 1490 dirhams. For option B on the right, you have 7 red balls and 3 purple balls. If a purple ball is randomly drawn, you will receive 1000 dirhams. Else, if a red ball is randomly drawn, you move to the next stage and draw from urn number 2. In this urn, you have 7 blue balls and 3 yellow balls. If a yellow ball is randomly drawn, you will receive 1000 dirhams. Else, if a blue ball is randomly drawn, you will receive 2000 dirhams. Here is an illustration of the process of filling out and confirming a list of questions. Once the list of questions is completed, the rest of the questions are automatically filled out. Automatic filling is designed to make filling out lists easier and faster. Assuming these choices have been made and the list has been completed, a cursor appears to scroll through all the choices you made. You have to check whether you agree or not with the smallest value of A for which you prefer A to B. At this point, you can modify your answers. When you have gone through all the questions and agree about all your choices from the list, a button appears to confirm your choices and allow you to move to the next list of questions. Real incentives. Right after you have completed this experiment, one of the questions will be drawn randomly by the software. For this question, the option chosen during the survey will be played for real. You will not be able to modify your answer. All questions have the same probability of being selected. This additional winning payment is limited to only 10% of all participants. Therefore, it is in your own interest to indicate your true preference for all questions in order not to be disappointed with the option that will be paid. Here are some details about uncertainty resolution and payment. One choice question will be randomly selected from a random list. If the chosen option is a certain gain, you will receive this gain immediately. If the chosen option is uncertain, the uncertainty will be resolved, and you will receive the resulting gain immediately. This instruction video is complete. You will be able to move to the comprehension questions. Then come the practice questions. Remember that you can ask the experimenter questions at any time. Good luck!